enable USB debugging on Androids for your developers. This is an extremely important developer tool where you can have guidelines for developers on enabling the USB debugging for app testing and for device management. So you're going to head over to settings, and from settings you are going to navigate all the way down to the about phone. Where's the about phone? It's right here, my phone or about phone. Then you're gonna tap build number right here, which is the build number. You're gonna tap on it 7 times continuously, and then the developer mode and the options are gonna be enabled, and from there you're gonna toggle, and the USB debugging in the developer settings are going to be turned on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to have to do that 7 times. Now you can see that I've already entered the developer mode here, and I can use the USB debugging in the developer settings. Let's head over to the developer settings, search setup. And now from the developer settings, you can just simply head over to the USB debugging and work with any sort of app testing or management settings you want to have with your device. So this is how you can enable USB debugging on Androids for developers.